We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of the Ergodyne Chill-Its 6700 Cooling Bandana. This product is designed to offer evaporative cooling relief using polymer-embedded crystals, promising up to 4 hours of cooling comfort. Made from 100% cotton, it features a tie closure for an adjustable, snug fit and is low profile enough to be worn under hard hats. It is marketed as suitable for outdoor work and recreational activities like running and hiking. Users appreciate the bandana for its effective cooling ability. Many report that after soaking the bandana in cold water, it provides a noticeable cooling effect that lasts for hours without the need for refrigeration. The polymer crystals inside absorb water and create a cooling gel that stays cold as it evaporates, helping to reduce heat discomfort during outdoor work or exercise. Several reviewers noted that the bandana is particularly useful in dry heat conditions, where simply dunking it in water during activities like hiking or yard work can maintain a cooling effect. The bandana's slim and flat design is praised for comfort, especially compared to bulkier tubular neck wraps. It fits comfortably around the neck without feeling heavy or restrictive, which is beneficial for prolonged wear. The adjustable tie closure accommodates different head sizes, making it versatile for many users. One common drawback mentioned is the slimy texture of the gel crystals when the bandana is fully hydrated. While this sliminess is not felt against the neck, it can be off-putting when touching the bandana with fingers. Some users have found that soaking the bandana for shorter periods reduces this slimy feel, but may also lessen the cooling effect. Despite this, the cooling performance is highly rated, with many users recommending it for those working in hot, sweaty environments where staying cool is essential. The bandana is also noted for its durability and ease of care. Users hand wash it gently with soap and water and dry it thoroughly before storage. Some keep their bandanas in the fridge or freezer for extra cooling, though refrigeration is not necessary for the product to work effectively. The bandana can be reused seasonally, making it a practical and economical cooling solution. However, a few users caution that the bandana is not color-fast. Soaking it can cause some dye to bleed, which may stain clothing. It is advisable to check for color fastness before wearing it with light or delicate fabrics. In comparison to similar products, the Chill-Its 6700 stands out for having a higher quantity of polymer crystals, which contributes to its superior cooling performance. Other brands may feel heavier or less comfortable, and some use different cooling technologies that are less effective or less pleasant to wear. Overall, the Ergodyne Chill-Its 6700 Cooling Bandana is a highly recommended product for anyone needing affordable, effective cooling relief during outdoor activities or work in hot environments. It offers a good balance of comfort, performance, and reusability. While the slimy texture of the gel crystals may be a minor inconvenience, the cooling benefits outweigh this issue for most users. If you have experience with this bandana, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the link to the product is in the description to support the channel and help you get your own cooling bandana for those hot days.